Painted this room, all the trim, casing, crown, chair rail, base. Painted the top and the bottom 2 different colors as she wanted. Painted the ceiling, painted the beam. It turned out beautiful, look at that. Alright, this is one of the living rooms I did. Here's the foyer area I had to do. Took all these doors off and painted them. Had to do the stairwell. Stairwell. I did this living room also. It's a different color though. Alright. The stairwell. Hallway. This bedroom has 2 dormer windows in it. The door was repainted, the casing, the crown, baseboard. The bathroom, I had to paint the vanity a different color than the walls. I actually had to mud these. They used to have a different design on the faces, but I took sheetrock mud and made them flat. Painted this bedroom. Painted this bathroom. I laid this tile floor also. Bathroom. And here's the other bedroom. Painted this room.